bristle brush. I don't know where I got this. I've had this for years now, since I was like in high school. So now I'm gonna go in with my, again, Design Essentials Natural, but this is now going to be the honey curl forming custard. Jesus. Somebody gave this to me. I don't know where they got it, but I know you can get it on Amazon. Again, not a paid partnership, but I love Amazon. And I kind of, again, just on top, and then on the bottom, or the back of my head, I should say. Bird call.
Hey, that's that bird call.
Then I'm gonna go in with another one, but a little softer. Just to kind of, I hate my outfit. This right here is not my jam. Just kind of smoothing out the edges or whatevs. But you know, my good old eco styler. I started getting the big jars from Amazon. Again, not paid, but Amazon is great. And then I'm gonna, again, put it on top, put it on top. Gotta smooth it on the sides. Boom, boom. Now I'm going to go in with my Conair's brush. I literally got this from my Next as well. It's a little bit harder, but that's so I can smooth out all the nasties. I can smooth it out and make like a better, like so. See that? My little scrunchie. Again, you can get it from your local Next. Actually, I really don't do buns. I do like Afro puffballs. Usually I just go around it once, like so, and then boom. You see how it's still kind of like fuzzy and everything? Alright, so to make it more smoother, I literally go in with the custard again, and now I go around like with my edges, kind of. Here we go. With this one, I'm still going to use my Conair's brush and kind of just smooth it down like so. I understand that this isn't really, you know, good for your hair because it's just getting pulled back and it's like, you know, but for the military, we just got to do what we got to do. That's where, like, on my off days, I barely wear my hair in a bun just because, just to let my hair breathe a little bit, but still, I don't like it always in my face. But then, I'm going to go in with my Eco Styler, just a little glop, boom, boom, just like that, and kind of do the same thing. Sometimes I put hairspray in my hair, and sometimes I don't. Last night I did, but I don't like to put too much. I still want to keep it nice and healthy. So after I smooth it like that, I kind of take it out of the bun again. Okay, no strand left behind. And kind of smoothing it back, smoothing it back. And this time, it's a lot more smoother than the first time. And this, you guys, is actually in regulations. It's in regulations for the Navy. I don't know about the other branches, but I hope it's, you know, for you guys too. Now we're going to get my do-rag or a scarf. Now, because I am getting ready for work, I'm going to just tie it up in my do-rag or scarf little thing. I'm going to do it like so. Make sure my edges are not affected. Alright, see? I tie it like this. The reason why I tie it like this is because I don't want my, oh, this is such bad lighting. I don't want my edges, like any of my edges to be in effect. But I tie it like so. Wait, can you guys see? Sorry, my nose is like, oh, you guys can't see. Okay, whatever. And still kind of leave the puff like, anyway, yeah. We do it like that. Then I leave it on, I get dressed. So I'm gonna get dressed and then we'll come back with the final product, I guess. So here's like a little montage. All right, about 15 minutes later, now I'm back. I'm gonna take my do-rag off. It looks like so. Yes, I have the little line, but I honestly don't care because I wear a cover all the time. Now that we're pretty much done, but just to be fancy, I'm gonna take my little edge comb and brush thingy, just to be a little extra. I'm gonna try to find my edges. How about that? I don't really have big, ooh, look. I don't really have big edges, or a lot of baby hairs, I should say. But when I find them, oh, see how I fucked that up? Jesus. I'm still going in with this Design Essentials Natural Curl Custard with honey and chamomile. When I say this stuff smells good, girl, this stuff smells amazing. Okay. So then, even though I'm done, I still just like to smooth out my hair. Make it as smooth as possible. Man, I know it's gonna be messed up by the end of my shift, but still, it's all about your presence and your appearance in the military. So, boom. Got my little bump in the back. And it's smooth. And it's shiny and still healthy. So, babes, that is it. Just a quick little video. Just because I really want to start pushing a lot of stuff out. So whenever I feel like vlogging or whatever, or doing, I guess, a tutorial, I don't know if this was, yeah, this was a tutorial. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.
I think that I'm done tripping, I'm been sipping, that's how I control.
If y'all want to give me an Amazon gift card, by all means, I will use it.